What's up, guys? This is What a Random Moment 21, and this is my bike. This is an Alienation 440 chrome rim laced to a poverty hub. It's pretty nice. It sounds decent. And a Primo red wall tire, honestly really good. I recommend buying it a lot. Stolen shackle chain, do not recommend buying this a lot. It shakes and makes a clingy noise every time you ride, and it stretches, so that's not a good thing. Haro King of Stars sprocket, nitrous shifter cranks, Odyssey clear twisted pedals, and Shadow Conspiracy seat, Kink pivotal C post to a Kink. This is a Kink frame. It's a Crystal signature. I don't think they make it in chrome anymore, but if I'm wrong, please correct me. I only find it in blue now. It's a 2010 Doyle signature. And Sputnik headset, Eastern stem, pretty normal. I see it on a lot of bikes. Slam S&M chrome bar is really nice for wide riders. Haro forks, Alienation gray rim in the front to another poverty hub that I spray painted white. What my friend did, and he gave me it, and I had to shop lease it. And a Tom white wall rim. Tire. Sorry, I know I'm stupid. It's Saturday or Friday. See, look, I'm wrong again. But that's my bike. It weighs about 23 pounds. I don't really care how much it weighs, but that's it. Please comment and tell me if you like it.